We are excited to introduce one of the most requested improvements to the Extrude tool, Extrude Direction. Extrude Direction allows you to extrude in the direction of a line, a plane, or a mate connector. In this example, we create the geometry that joins the head and handle of an RFID scanner. This extrude can now be driven with an up to next constraint. Previously, you had to make sure that there was a next piece of geometry that would completely interfere with the extrusion. Otherwise, up to next would fail. You can now drive the direction of the extrude with a line to make sure there will be interference. With this improvement, you can accelerate the time it takes to construct a wide range of geometry and reduce the feature count in your part studios. Driving the direction of an extrude is simple using a mate connector. As you select the direction option, you will notice the mate connector symbol appears. Create a mate connector and use the rotational manipulator to quickly alter the direction of the extrusion. You can also combine these directions with drafts to create geometry that would conventionally take multiple features to define. The direction of the extrude will be applied to the second end position as well, making it easy to extend the geometry. Lastly, you can use planes and other geometry to drive your extrusion. By using a combination of a line and a line angle plane, you can easily manipulate the extrude direction of your geometry. Use the final button to see how the plane angle fundamentally changes this extrusion. This improvement to the Extrude tool allows you to add a starting offset to an extrusion, both when adding or removing geometry. With this new option, it's a lot faster to create more controlled extrusions. By using the starting offset, you can reduce the amount of sketches necessary to create certain features such as holes, inner features, and more. You can create a starting offset both as a blind direction or a reference to an entity, such as in the example. With this improvement, you will have more control over your extruded geometry, improving your experience when creating a wide array of features.